A fun use of Mathshare is to use placeholders like I did in this problem, where I wanted students to then substitute in a number into these different squares that we've left open. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing is I'm going to head back to the Mathshare dashboard. I'm now going to click on New Problem Set. I won't need geometry for this one, but we are going to need the notations because we'll need that parenthesis one. I'm going to click on Next, and then we'll add our first problem. So I'm going to say, for this one, we'll keep it pretty simple. But what we do is we use this parentheses tool right there, and we don't put anything in for the number. And so now next to it, I'm going to use next arrow over. So I can say then like that, plus 8 is equal to 10, right? So, and then over here for the instructions, we're simply going to say solve, and we're going to add the problem, and I'm done. So here's our problem. Now to view this one as a student and to try it out yourself, what you can do is click on the ellipses, the more options under by our title of the problem set, and then view as student. So this is exactly what the students will see when they're here. And when we open this one up, we can now actually go through and now we can start editing these things. So I'm going to start off on this one, and I can just put in like 2, and because 2 plus 8 is 10. All right, there we go. So another different things you could do is you could also have students then work through these things, right? Because this is also another really good scenario of where it's like, right, like x is equal to blah, blah, blah. And so we could have the same kind of setup of now asking students to walk backwards through this thing or substitute in x for it. There's a lot of flexibility in how you can do this, but being able to have these placeholders is a really nice, different way of approaching how it is that you're going to be doing some of your math problems.